Alright, let's be real. CapCut getting banned in the US has thrown a huge wrench into a lot of people's editing flow. Like, what now? If you've been scrolling, stressed out about finding the perfect replacement, don't worry, I got you. Today, I'm showing you the best CapCut alternatives that'll keep your edits clean, smooth, and looking straight up professional. So CapCut became the editing app for so many creators because it was free, super easy to use, and packed with awesome effects. But now, with the ban, you've got to pivot and fast. Whether you're editing TikToks, Instagram Reels, or even football edits like me, these apps are the next best thing. Let's dive in. Okay, here are the apps you need to check out. These aren't just random picks. I've tried them all, and they'll definitely get the job done. First up, VN Video Editor. This one's fire. It's free, user-friendly, and has all the features you'd expect. Multi-layer editing, keyframes, transitions, and effects. Plus, it's lightweight, so it won't kill your phone storage. Next, Alight Motion. You know I had to include this. It's a beast for motion graphics, custom animations, and super clean transitions. If you're making football edits or anything cinematic, this app is a game changer. Pro tip, check out their presets, lifesavers. Kinemaster has been around for a while, but don't sleep on it. It's loaded with advanced tools like chroma key, green screen, voiceovers, and blending effects. Perfect for YouTubers and creators wanting that polished look. InShot is like the OG for quick and easy edits. If you just want to trim, add music, and slap on some captions, this is your go-to. Simple, reliable, and solid for TikTok and IG content. Finally, for those who want the pro-level experience on mobile, LumaFusion is where it's at. It's not free, but the features, like color grading and multi-track editing, are chef's kiss for serious projects. So here's the deal. If you're looking for something closest to CapCut, I'd say VN Editor is your best bet. For more advanced motion graphics, Alight Motion is a no-brainer. And if you want to go full pro, invest in LumaFusion. It's worth every penny. Alright, that's a wrap. Which app are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if I missed any hidden gems, drop them below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and turn on those notifications. See you in the next one. Keep creating and stay awesome.